Alright, got the 41 Ford Coupe here. I'm going to do a cold start video. 51 on the heads, intakes at 50, exhaust manifold 50, so it's cold. Now this one, the gentleman that built the 47 I have, built this 41 Ford guy, so he knows his stuff. But you can see he's got everything labeled here. So electric fuel pump, and it also has the mechanical, and so with the electric, use it to prime it. And what I've found is about half pull out on the choke, but I'm still learning the choke on it. Give it a couple of pumps and do a couple more, and there she goes. Well, we'll give it another shot. Now she's purring. Go in on the choke just a titch. And then once it's up and running, turn off the electric fuel pump. It's all been rebuilt, everything's new, rewired, and she just purrs. Electric fan plus mechanical. Got the reservoir bottle there. See the mechanical fuel pump in the back. The side glass. And then you also have fuel pressure regulator. Take the choke off. She's definitely still cold, but if you have voltage, you will have temp soon. Oil pressure sitting right around 45. Flathead V8. Fuel gauge full. There you go. One beautiful car.